All right, good morning, Maya. Home from work early in the morning. So, Maya, I am teaching a class on how to become a content creator, but really to the real estate industry. So I'm going to ask you questions because what did you graduate with?
A degree in public relations.
So, public relations. So, in addition to that, public relations includes content creation,
marketing, branding,
all of it. So, what would you say to my class today when it comes to being a content creator?
First of all, clean your cameras. That's first. People want to like what they see, so like your aesthetic matters, and a clean camera is a part of your aesthetic.
Let's clean the camera. That's the washing machine. Don't worry about it.
Somebody was coming up the stairs.
You got us. We will protect you.
Clean your cameras. That's part of your aesthetic. Make a mood board. Find inspiration. Don't copy somebody verbatim, but find your inspo and take what they have and make it your own. Become creative with it. Do real content. People want to see real raw content. They want to see what you're doing throughout your day. Day in the life. Get ready with me. People like to see people that look just like them doing the same things that they do. Like, even in the mundane things, they want to see you do your like regular daily routine. Even if you're just getting up and making a cup of coffee. What else?
I know, and it seems crazy, but people really do want to know.
They want to watch it. They're going to watch it. People are nosy. That's the problem. They're nosy. They want to see what you're doing in your day.
But they ain't got nothing else to do.
Nothing else.
Mm-hmm.
So they're scrolling and scrolling.
Doom
Okay, I like that. We might have to do that, Mark.
It's doom scrolling.
Do what?
A day in the life.
You don't even know what I'm doing.
You don't care?
No.
Okay. Okay, so a day in the life, what else? You said maybe entertaining. You did also mention that if you do copy someone, what's going to happen?
Don't mimic them, because that's how you get talked about. They're going to make a video about you, say,
I've been lied on.
this person,
about
this person took my video. And then the comments are going to be like, you're weird for taking their video word for word. Don't do that. You're going to be embarrassed. You're going to embarrass yourself doing that. Make it your own.
Okay. What else?
Making content.
You said authentic you.
She said your angles matter.
Yeah, your angles.
You know how you be cutting off my feet when you be taking your pictures? That's not a good photo.
I don't cut your feet off. You cut my feet off.
You talk about like
Video content, you're saying.
Yes. Talk about when you take my pictures. Yeah, your angles matter. It should be aesthetically pleasing.
And so what would you say to someone that's just really not good at it? Number one, clean your camera. Number two, what do they need tripods? Do they need good lighting? Do they?
All of that. Yes, maybe I could get specific, because that all falls under aesthetically pleasing. Like, your aesthetic is like the lighting is gonna be good, or it's gonna be dim, like me. Like, I don't know why I dim all my pictures down. Or you're gonna make sure you have good lighting, especially if you're showing houses and stuff like that. People want to see.
Right, but and if you're showing houses, you got to have permission to put it on video. Here, let me ask this question. So I'm a real estate agent, but I also want to show other content. Do you think a day in life would be better to share, to show me, as opposed to what if I also want to talk about beauty? What if I also want to talk about all these other things? Is that confusing to the audience?
Yes, I feel like it can be confusing. Sometimes if you're a realtor, I don't know, maybe have a separate page for real estate content and your personal content. You could still create content from your personal page and make that more geared to a different audience, which would be beauty and all the things, because realtors is not like gender specific. So if you have,
a lot going on,
like, Dad, would you want to see beauty content if you're following a real estate page?
Yeah, no, like people get up and take pictures early in the morning talking about, this is my outfit for the day. They need to be on a separate page, right? You know what I'm saying?
Are you talking to me?
Makeup videos, like, you don't want to see that.
No.
Like,
but if it was a day in the life of a realtor and they were talking about their day doing their makeup,
that's different. Like, but
getting ready for go to work,
still
right?
Keep the real estate content tied into that, if that's what you're gonna do.
Like, I used to have a saying when I used to own a couple barbershops and salons: if your hair is not becoming to you, you should be coming to us. Same thing. If your photo don't look good to you, it ain't gonna look good to us.
Oh, okay, that's fair. Okay.
What is wrong with him? Well, it should tie into your content. So if you're doing a day in the life, if you get up and do your makeup, if you show 3 seconds of you doing your makeup, it's not gonna hurt as long as later in the video you're showing us that you're out doing realtor things, showing houses, responding to emails.
But and I would say
going to
this.
the post office.
Again, with that showing the houses, make sure you have permission. So let me say this. So what if I did do a day in the life? I'm standing in my bathroom mirror and I have the camera up. What do you say to people? I'm just gonna say it. Should they look around the room before they hit record?
Oh, their backgrounds, their showers,
Yeah,
towels.
like you should clean up
Yeah.
before you start recording.
No crunchy towels in the back of your video.
No crunchy towels.
No stuff everywhere. Yeah. This is part of aesthetically pleasing. Like, that's everything that I mean when I say aesthetically pleasing. All of that is included. The lighting, your background. Like, make sure people not look at all in the back of your video.
Because that's what we do.
Back there. People are nosy. That's what I'm talking about. People are nosy. They want to see everything that you got going on.
And they're judging you.
Yes, do not let them talk about you. Give them something to talk about, but don't let it be something bad. Like, you know?
Okay. All right. So, thank you, Maya. I think I'm going to have to help you get paid.
I was thinking the other day, like, about, like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. I was going to ask more.
Hold on. We're going to start a new video so I can.
This is not a video.